Home HVAC Services is a trusted provider of professional HVAC duct cleaning services in West Chester, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses improve indoor air quality, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. Our experienced technicians use advanced equipment to thoroughly remove dust, dirt, allergens, pet dander, mold spores, and other contaminants from your air duct system. If you have any questions, contact our HVAC duct cleaning team. Are you looking for an HVAC duct cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What is HVAC duct cleaning? HVAC duct cleaning is the process of removing dust, dirt, allergens, pet dander, and other contaminants from the air ducts and components of your heating and cooling system. Professional cleaning helps improve indoor air quality and supports efficient HVAC system performance. How long does HVAC duct cleaning take? The time required depends on the size of your home and the complexity of the duct system. Most residential HVAC duct cleaning services can be completed within 2 to 5 hours. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our HVAC duct cleaning have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.